London, what just happened? Did Mima buy you this and you found it hidden? Let it go. Oh, okay. See, you weren't supposed to get this until Christmas. Where'd you find it hiding? Let it go. Let it go. Woo. It's really big on you, Binks. Yeah. Hold on. Let it go. All right, Mommy wants to take that off because we got to put it away till Christmas. Yes. Yeah, that's it.